Hello，大家好。So before, I think positive learner and the other person leave me the comment say they want to know how to say money and how to say time, and what the difference between the 告诉 tell and 说 speak and what 问 ask, and what the difference with 什么 what and 吗 the particle, the question particle. So today I don't have enough time. I think I just can make a video about the money and the time, and in next video I will do more things about the difference with 告诉 问 and 说. Okay, so first part, let's do something, learn something about money. I'm so happy, like now I'm not in China, but I have some Chinese RMB in my pocket. That's really good. So first one, we're gonna learn something. Just give me 1 second. How are you guys these days? Good. 你们好吗？应该不错 okay? So first part is here, money. How we say money in China? 钱 okay? 钱 okay, repeat 钱. Perfect. Okay, so in China 钱 we call 人民币 okay? 人民币 人 people 民 人民 people 币 money currency okay? 人民币 so the currency the people use in China we call 人民币 RMB okay? Okay, so money we use the different unit here. This is yuan, yuan, yuan. It's like dollar. And 角, 角, 角. English, it's like cent, cents. And 分is the smaller than 角, but now we don't have 分. We just have yuan and 角. Okay, make sense? Repeat. Yuan, 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 角. 角, 角. Perfect. Okay, so here, yuan is like written in written language. You also can say like in oral, but most time when you say something and we use 块 rather than yuan. Okay, so if you say $1, we say 一元. Remember the number we learned in last video, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So 一元, you also can say 一块, 一块, 一块. And 两元, 两元, you can say 两块. Rather than 二, okay? Rather than 二元, 二块. Sometimes you can say that, but it's a little bit weird. We say 两块. Make sense? Okay, so here, can you see the blue one? So if it's $1, and we say 一元钱. So remember, money is 钱. So you can add the 钱 at the end of that number, 一元钱. Or 两元钱, 两块钱. So here, in China, people usually they do this. If the number is single syllable, like from 1 to 10, let's say 一元, 两元, 三元, 四元, 五元, 六元, 七元, 八元, 九元, 十元, and then you don't have to add the 钱 at the end. 十元钱. You can, but you don't have to. Okay, if the number is over than 10, you don't have to say 元 or 块, the unit of that. You can directly say the number. So if I say, if I ask, how much is this book? You can directly say 11, 11. You don't have to say 11块, 11元, or 11块钱, like this. So remember, if it's a single syllable, like 1 to 10, you have to add yuan or 块 or at the qian at the end. But if the number is over than 10, it's like 11, 12, 13, go to like 100, 1,000, and the bigger number. You don't have to add yuan or kuai, the unit, at the end of the number. Make sense? So let's try one. Okay, I think I can show you guys this. So this is a real renminbi. This one is 一元, 一元, 一元. Can you see? 一元. And we also say 一块钱, 一块钱, 一元钱, 一块钱. Okay? And then before we have $2, 两元, 两元, 两块. But now I don't think government issue that one. Okay, so and then next one, now we have it. What is this? Remember? 五, yeah. So it's 五元, 五元, or 五块, 五块. Yeah, so you can say 五元钱, 五块钱, or directly delete the 钱, say 五元, 五块. Okay, cool. Next one is here. A little bit bigger. 十元, 十元, or you can say 十块, 十块, 十块钱, 十元钱. Real number. Ooh. This is Mao Zedong, Chairman Mao. Every money is Chairman Mao. Yeah. And then after that, it's 20, 20. So see, now I don't say 20元, 20元, 20元钱. I can directly say 20. Yeah, you can use that. Like, how much is this one? 20, 20, 20. And then next one, bigger. It's 50, okay, 50, or you can say 50元 or 50块. Or if you feel, oh, it's easy to just to say the number, go ahead. 50, 50元, 50元, 50块, okay? And then, bigger one. Everyone like this. So this is 100, 100, 100 means 100, 100. So you can say 100块, 100元, or directly say 100, okay? 100. Yeah, show you the other way, the other side. I think the renminbi looks pretty. We have different color and different scenery at the back. So this one, I think it's Guilin, Guangxi Guilin. And this one is Tibet, the Wudalagong Palace, okay? So this summer, I just went to here. It's really pretty. Recommend. And, okay, here is in Beijing. I think it's the Summer Palace. Yiheyuan, Yiheyuan. Let me see this one. This one is a mountain. I think it's, I'm not sure. Maybe it's Lemeishan or Taishan. Yeah, I should double check. Okay. This one, I think it's Yalu Zangbujiang. It's a river. Yeah, I think so. So this is all the money I have now. The bill. Okay. So now introduce another one. Coin. How we say coin in Chinese? So here, 硬币. Okay, 硬币 coins. 硬币, 硬币. So this one in China we just have the $1 and 50 cents and 10 cents. Yeah. So this one the same. 一元, 一块, 一块钱. Okay, 一块钱, 硬币, 硬币. Okay. I think that's money is easy. It's like just a number, add yuan, add kuai, or add jiao. So if I say $1, 50 cents, I can say 一块五, 一块五, okay? 一块五, 一块五角, but usually we'll delete the 角. You directly say 一块五 because now we are more than one syllable, right? So 1.5 is fine. And if I ask like, how much is this? How do you use the sentence? We can say 这个多少钱? It's really useful, this expression, when you want to buy something in the store. You can ask 这个means this, okay? 这个多少钱? Repeat. Perfect. 这个多少钱? And then when you answer, you can directly say 100块. 100块 means what? 100, yeah, 100人民币, 100块, 100块. If it's like 1,000, we can say 1000, 1000 here. 千, 1000, 1000. And then 10,000, we say 1, 1, 1,000. And then it's 10, no, it's 100,000. It's 10万, 10万, 10万. And then will be 百万, 千万. Just directly add the 千 and 10万 in front. Okay, so this part is bigger number. Okay, let's try this one. So how do you say 125? So we say 125块钱 or 125. Directly say the number. Okay, if this one is 15,280, we say 15,280or 15,280. Okay, this is bigger number. I think it's nothing really difficult about like how you say the money. It's just you should figure out how do you say the number and then directly add the 块 or yuan at the end of that number. So it's easy. And the basic thing is number. So do learn the number, okay? Yeah, so I think this is like all the things about the money I want to tell you guys. So let's review again. Yuan, 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 块, 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 1元, 1块, 2块, 3块. And this is 角 means cents. 角, 角, 分, 分, 分. And then 硬币, 硬币, 硬币. Perfect. Okay. So next part, we're gonna learn something about time. So yeah, I think everything is related like this to video. So we learn number, right? And then now we learn something about money. It's also about number. And then it's time. So time also we need to use numbers. So first part is this one. So how do you say time? So time is 时间, okay? 时间, 时间. Let's repeat. 时间, 时间. Perfect. So the basic thing that you need in time, we need to learn is 点, 点. So this one have so many like meaning. So you can say dot. Dot is 点, or 点 is a clock. Okay, a clock. So here, if it's a clock, you can say 点钟, 点钟, like 1点钟, 2点钟, 3点钟. So it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. So 点钟. So if you feel, oh, it's like too much, you don't want to say 钟. So see, I just give like the bracket here, so which means you can use it or you can just delete it. You can directly say 点, 1点, 2点, 3点. All the thing makes sense. Good? Okay, here is what I want to mention. So usually we don't say 2点. We don't say 2点. Remember, 2 and 2, they're different. So 2 is like you say the number, but 2 is like the quantity thing, quantity. So here, the time, it's kind of you quantify like what time it is now, right? So we use 2 rather than 2. So we say 2点, 2点, 2点. Perfect. Repeat. 2点. Awesome. Okay, so let's do some practice. This is I made. It's so cute, hey? So now, let's try this. Okay. What is this? 1 o'clock, right? 1 o'clock. 一点, or you can say 1点钟, 1点钟, 1点钟. Perfect. And then this one, 3 o'clock. We say 3点钟, 3点钟, 3点钟. Okay, then next one. We say 9点钟, 9点钟, 9点钟. And then this one is 12点 or 12点钟. Make sense? Okay, so this is like a clock. I will teach you some special thing. So if like it's 30 minutes, how you say that? If 15 minutes, how you say that? So in Chinese, we have some special way to say that. If it's 30 minutes, we say 半. Okay, half, 半. So half an hour, 半小时, 半. Okay, and then 15 minutes in Chinese, we can say 课. Okay, 课, 一课means 15 minutes. 三课 is 45 minutes. So 两课 is 30 minutes, right? So we directly use 半. Rather than say 两课. So 一课, 三课. But I come from the southwest of China, and the people from the north part, I think some of them they use 三课, but in south part we don't say 三课, we just say 一课. Okay, 一課. Okay, I think some of you guys may feel like how you just tell like the difference of the AM and PM. So in China we don't use AM or PM, but we have the special word for that. So if it's morning, we can say 早上. Okay, here. 早上. Can you see that? Okay, this way. 早上. And then, so I think usually 早上 means like 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. You can say 早上 or even 10 a.m. Or if it's like 10 a.m. or 9:30 to noon, the 12, you can say 上午. So here. 上午means like morning. So it's a little bit tricky difference. So in English, morning is morning, like all the AM is morning. But in Chinese, so if it's early morning, we can say 早上. If it's like around the noon, and then we can say 上午. Okay, 上午. And then this part is 中午. 中文, right? 中国, so the same thing. 中 means middle. So 中午, 12点 is 中午. And then here, 下午. So 下午 means afternoon. And then this one is 晚上 means evening and night. 晚上. Okay, so if you want to say 9 a.m., you can say 早上9点. If you just say 9点, it might be a little bit confusing. So I don't know you mean the morning 9 o'clock or night 9 o'clock. So you have to put something before that. You can say 早上9点 or 晚上9点. Then that makes sense. Because we don't have AM and PM. That's our AM PM. Okay. Okay, let's try this. So usually why you learn time, because you should know like how to ask time and how to say time, right? So this is the expression, this is sentence for you ask the time. What is time? Okay, sorry. 现在几点? So what time it is now? 现在几点 means what time it is now. So when you ask somebody, excuse me, do you know what time it is now? It means 现在几点? And then when you answer it, this is like, oops, sorry. This is one of the answer I wrote here. So 5:19. So here I introduce another one we call 分. 分 means minutes. 分 means minutes. So hour is 小时, okay? 小时. So 小时 is here. 小时 means hour. 分 means minute. 分 means minute. So when you say 5 o'clock and 19 minutes, you can say 5:19分 or directly drop the 分, say 5:19, okay? Okay, some of you might think about like, why don't you say 5小时19分? It'll be 5 hours and 19 minutes. It's rather than like what time, like right now the time. It's like count whole time. It's like a period. So we say 5小时. But this one, 点 means just at this point, what time it is now, okay? It's rather than like how long it take. You can say 5小时19分, 5 hours and 19 minutes. Okay, makes sense? Good. Okay, so now let's do something. Let's do some practice, okay? So I ask you, you answer, and then I give you the answer. Okay. 现在几点? 现在几点? Think about it. And after 3 seconds, I will give you the answer. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 现在3点10分. 现在3点10分. Okay, 分 means minute. 3点10分. Are you right? I hope so. Okay, now if it's 上午, okay? So I ask you, 现在几点? 现在几点? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, answer time. 现在上午7点半. 7点半. 7点半. Okay? Or you can say 7点30. It's the same meaning. 7点30, 7:30 or like 7点半. 7, yeah, it's 7:30. Okay, so next one. Okay, 现在几点? 现在几点? Okay, it's 1, 2, 3. 现在9点35. 9点35. 9点35. Okay, and then let's try next one. 现在几点? 现在几点? So it's like around noon, okay? When you answer it. Okay, answer time. 现在12点15分 or 现在中午12点1刻 12点1刻 Okay, 一刻 means 15, a quarter, 15 minutes quarter. And 中午 means noon, 中午12点15 12点1刻 Make sense? Cool. Oh, I think I forgot to teach you one thing. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so if the minute is between 1 minute to 10 minutes, so we should add another character between them. If it's like 1 o'clock, 8 minutes, like 1:08, we should say 1:08分, 1:08分. So here I give an example like 10点 you can see it. Yeah, here you go. 10:05 10:05 means 10 o'clock 5 minutes. So 10:05 10:05. So it's 零. We should add 零 at the middle. Okay, at the middle. Like when you write down the number, it should be this. 10:05 10:05. So directly say 10:05 or 10:05. Make sense? Yeah, let's do one more practice, okay? Okay. 请问现在几点 if it's PM 现在几点1 2 3 Okay, answer time. So 现在晚上8点08分8点08分 So that's 0 Okay, 0 is 0 8点08分 So 8 So 8 minutes past 8 p.m. Okay, so 8点08分晚上8点08分 Okay, makes sense? I think, yeah, that's everything about today's video, and we learned something. Sorry, today I'm so tired, so I think a little bit low energy. But yeah, the same thing. Want to let you guys know some Chinese Mandarin and feel you keep learning. So yeah, just a small review. Today we learned the money and qian. Okay, qian. 人民币 RMB. So we have different unit 元角分, but now we don't have 分, we just use 元 and 角, or you can say 元 like 块. Also we learned something about time, like how do you ask time? 现在几点 and then when you answer directly say 现在1点2点, or you can say 1点钟2点钟, or 1点10分1点15, 一刻 means 15 minutes, quarter, and 半 means half, 10点半12点半. And we learned the different time range, right? So 早上 morning 早上, and we can say 早上上午, and noon we can say 中午, afternoon we say 下午, and night 傍晚 we say 晚上 Okay, make sense? Okay, so I'm not sure whether I have time to make the video next week, but I will try my best. If I can, just Merry Christmas to you guys. 圣诞快乐. Okay, teach you another expression. Right down here. Merry Christmas. Sheng Dan Kuai Le. Kuai Le means happy, okay? Happy birthday. 生日快乐. And then something 快乐就是 happy birthday or Merry Christmas or happy something holiday. Okay, so here, 圣诞快乐. 圣诞快乐. Merry Christmas. 圣诞快乐. So hope you guys have a good holiday and Merry Christmas. 圣诞快乐. See you in next video. 再见.